Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can mute a group member in your groups or group on Google Groups in 2026. So let us get started. So head over to your account on Google Groups, select this tab here on the left hand side. And next guys, there are two ways how you can achieve this, two different methods. So method number one, you take away the permission for the given member to post in your group. Let me show you how you can do this. So select the given group by clicking into that gear icon to the right to access its settings. I will go with this one here, Cooking Enthusiasts. And what you want to do next, guys, is here in that list of members to the left, click into it. And here you'll see the list of all members of your current group. You will see the role, the join date. And here to the right, guys, you will see that column, posting. Click into it and select not allowed or moderated if you'd like to moderate the postings, comments and messages sent by the given user. So if you'd like to block the posting, select not allowed. And that is going to change the permission for the given user. Now let me switch back to allowed because that is actually, that's me here. So and the second option would be to ban a user. Now to ban a user, guys, in your group, you will need to navigate to this section inside your group here to the left, ban users, and then click into that field, look for the user within your group. You can also enter the email address that is associated to the user and then confirm by clicking into ban user here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.